on the Flat Rate Master, and we're going to take a look at what's going on around the shop. All right, Eric has this Infinity. He's doing a steering rack and power steering pump. No power steering assist, and well, the rack's leaking, so getting some of those. This old Lexus came in with a complaint of steam under the hood, and well, needed a radiator. You know, I don't know if it'll come up on camera, but you know, typical old Toyota plastic turned gray. All right, I've got an empty bay here, but I've got sold work for tomorrow. That X5 sitting in my bay is a Daniel ticket that the customer declined the window regulator, but did control arms. I don't understand that. I don't know if it'll come off on camera. Probably not, because the display, but Daniel's also got a car out there. BMW V8 engine is locked up, and well, they declined it because the new engine, the Reman, is almost $30,000. So they're not doing that, and it needed a trans, and the guy still owes money on it. So that's getting towed out. All right, Aaron has this Volvo with a coolant leak. Hose leaking, not real hard to find, no big deal. You know, he's having fun. Aaron has this Acadia, came in with a complaint of stalling when the fuel tank got to a half a tank. That was the complaint. We're able to replicate it with a 3/4 of a tank, so we know it's not related to fuel level. Setting codes for 5-volt reference on circuit 1 and 2, and then fuel pump control module codes. We're able to isolate it to the AC pressure switch and disconnected that. It ran for a long time, never stalled out, so pretty sure we got this one fixed, but we'll see. He's already done the repair and just wants to verify that it doesn't stall anymore. All right, Billy's got this Nissan. About a year ago, he put a battery in it. Customer complaint is intermittent no start. We went ahead and warrantied the battery, and testing a little funky, so it's under warranty, so we went ahead and warrantied it, but we have a suspicion that the starter is going bad and it's under the intake, so we'll see if we can replicate it tomorrow. All right, Billy also has a water pump job. Unfortunately, he's waiting for cam bolts from Ford. Yay! Been kind of slow this week, so we went ahead and tore it down, and they were supposed to be here yesterday. They were supposed to be here today, so hopefully they'll be here tomorrow so we can finish this up and get it done. We've got a new guy in the shop, James, who replaced Cole. He has obviously a clutch to do. He's got a clutch to do on a Scion, some bits and bobs on a couple other cars. So he's got a good bit of work for tomorrow. Craig has on this Cherokee front and rear brakes. He's already done the fronts, obviously. Brake flush, 2 tires, and a washer pump. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.